Hi, I'm Raji. I'm proud to introduce myself as the first sign-up for Inner Secret Beauty Workshop. This workshop has been brainchild of Sunitaa, and this workshop introduces you to some of the sacred practices, and once you decide to embrace it, you are going to be introduced to the universe of miracles. Just to give you a glimpse of my life prior to this workshop, working from home, working at home, juggling multiple roles, and trying to do something for myself, my family. So much of anxiety, fear, anger, frustration, you name it, all the mixture of feelings. I used to undergo this on a daily basis. Somehow, as a miracle, I got introduced to this workshop. I completed the workshop, picked up many tools and practices from this workshop, and started embracing it on a daily basis. It's been more than 2 months since we completed the workshop. Till date, I practice all the practices on a daily basis, and it's become part of my daily routine. And what you see as a transformation is my creativity is just oozing out. I hardly used to sing any song or compose was not even part of my life, right? But I started composing songs, singing, to just give you a sample of that. Inner beauty radiating, tra la 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 la, my sacred beauty radiating, tra la 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 la. I am gracefully beautiful, tra la 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 la. I feel gracefully beautiful, gracefully beautiful. And not only me, everybody around me started noticing the changes, and the vibrant energy started rubbing onto my family. And we could see a lot more laughter, happy times in the family. And just not this, in recent few weeks, I have started seeing so many people reaching out to me and saying, Raji, you are inspiring to us. And it's just not the people in my family, right? It's my friends, people at work, many more, and that's very touching to me, right? So this is a beautiful transformation, and I want all the women in this universe to experience something like that. So if you're up to that, please go ahead and enroll and experience this change. And I'm so glad universe gave me this opportunity to just live a blissful life and unveil my inner secret beauty. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe.